Today, we introduce how to add Tuya Wi-Fi devices. First, click Device on the left sidebar of the iSG, then click the plus button in the upper right corner of the screen to add a device. Next, we choose to add via the Wi-Fi protocol and select Tuya. Now, we are going to add a Tuya Wi-Fi bulb, so we select the bulb in the device type. Tuya has 3 pairing methods to add the device to the home Wi-Fi network: 1. Wi-Fi Quick Connect, 2. Bluetooth pairing, and 3. AP pairing. According to the Tuya manual, this bulb uses Bluetooth pairing, so we select Bluetooth. Then we need to reset the bulb to pairing mode by turning it on and off 5 times until it enters reset mode. Then, we click Next, select the home Wi-Fi network, enter the Wi-Fi password, and click Start Configuration. We can see the bulb is now connected to the Wi-Fi. Next, we choose the floor and room where the device is located in the iSG and click Finish. This completes the addition of the Tuya Wi-Fi bulb, which we can now successfully control. Some users in the Facebook iSG group mentioned they are unable to control Tuya devices without internet access. Let's see if we can control them locally without internet. First, we click the Wi-Fi icon in the upper right corner and can see the connection to the router's Wi-Fi is normal and that it can connect to the external network. Next, we disconnect the internet. Without internet, the wireless connection icon in the upper right corner will show a small cross. Clicking it, we can see the Wi-Fi connection is normal. Now let's test if we can control the device locally without internet. Clicking the control button for the bulb, we can see the bulb responds very quickly to local control. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please click the follow button below.